What's up, guys? Gonna do a little fly fishing in Boise National Forest. So really excited to get out today, even though it is cold, starting off around 29 degrees, and it is gonna warm up, maybe get up to about 70 degrees, but right now it is absolutely freezing. So getting my hands in the water and getting them on some fish, it is pretty brutal, but enjoying being outside. So anyways, hope you guys are enjoying the channel. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Some really small pools. Really close. It's kind of neat though. It reminds me of when I first started fly fishing, which is North Carolina, up in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Kind of climbing over rocks like this all the time. That's what it reminds me of. Beautiful place though. Absolutely gorgeous. Got one on. That was cool. I saw them in there. Question is, can I actually get them out of here? I gotta try to get them into this slower current. Whew. Nice. Took it and then he came off, popped off, and got a little bit of a foul hook on him. But beautiful rainbow. There he is. Look at this. Beautiful rainbow. Gorgeous. Love these things. Having a lot of fun out here. Gonna let this guy go. Where I came today in the Boise National Forest is pretty neat because there is a waterfall right over there. It's a real small one. You can see it. But that's actually a hot spring. So it's really warm water. I think it's right around like 102, 103 degrees. So it's very comfortable. Nice place to come to in the middle of winter time and relax, get into some nice warm water and rejuvenate, relax. Anyways, we're gonna get back to some fly fishing. I thought I'd just show you that. Oh, there's one. It's a good one. Come on, buddy. There we go. Oh, nice one. Nice one. And it's free. Look at that. Beautiful rainbow. Beautiful rainbow on the Boise River. I'll let him go. I'm starting to see more and more trout come out of the little hiding spots. Maybe they're getting a little bit more active and starting to feed up. There's another one. That's a good one. Took the big fly, took the streamer. Another absolute gorgeous rainbow. It's free. Should be free. Man, these things are so pretty. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Love it. That one is sitting at right about 17 inches, so that's not bad at all. Let this guy go. Nice. There he is, another nice little rainbow. The Boise National Forest. There you go. Oh, I had one on. Definitely had one on. There he is. I'm unwrapped. Let him go. There he is. It's a little guy, but that's fun. So there's got to be more than one. Oh, little one. Another really, really pretty looking rainbow. There he goes. He's gone. So that's going to do it for today's episode, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making it. Didn't catch as many as I'd like to, but who can really complain when you're fishing on a river like this? The Boise National Forest is absolutely incredible. Really had a lot of fun out here. So until next time, you guys take care of yourselves, and we'll see you again.